Hi, I'm Gideon, and I am the owner of a real estate marketing agency, and I would give ClickUp 3 stars. For more reviews like this, click below. Prior to using ClickUp, I didn't really have a software solution for my SOP, standard operating procedure documentation. Instead, I would just use a random Microsoft Word document or perhaps a Google, equivalent. And it really wasn't something I could collaborate with. It wasn't something that was intuitive, and it definitely wasn't as organized as I now have with ClickUp. The reasons why I chose ClickUp was for project management. I have a process that has 61 steps in it, and prior to having ClickUp, all those 61 steps were just documented in a single text file, Microsoft Word document. And whenever I would sign on board a new client, I would have to run through those 61 steps, often in multiple sessions. So I never knew exactly where in my process I had left off before my last interruption. And it was often, just a chore in and of itself to find out where in the process am I. Whereas with ClickUp, all of those tasks are individually, something I could check off and see my process. And not only that, I could collaborate with my team, assigning different tasks to different team members. And I could template that whole 61-step process so that every time I launch a new client, ClickUp automatically creates a new project file with all of my steps in it, and I could individually track the progress of all my onboardings, 1,000 different views on how to look at the data, to really help me keep on track with my critical business functions. For me, the onboarding process wasn't difficult at all. I was moving from one text format to essentially another. So I was copying and pasting from one document into ClickUp's task um, windows, and getting the other team members likewise was easy, getting them set up with things. And so yeah, I've found it to be very intuitive and accessible, no matter where I am. For anyone else considering ClickUp, I would say give it a go. Absolutely use the board view for your first project. Some of the other templates and Gantt charts and timelines did confuse me a little bit, but when I looked at it in board view, it was very familiar. It was the sort of project management view that I was already accustomed to. And yeah, you'll find tons of help docs online. I had no trouble connecting with a community, and yeah, so it was a very easy process for me.